Gengel, a college student from the town of Rutland, was in Haiti during spring break 3 years ago tomorrow on a mission to help feed the poor. And then the earthquake struck. Britney died in her room at the Hotel Montana, a place of heartbreak and inspiration for her family. And News Center 5's Susan Warnick traveled back to Haiti as the Gengel family marked the opening of an orphanage in their daughter's name.
The Hotel Montana is built into the side of a mountain, a truly beautiful spot that 3 years ago became a morgue.
My room was kind of over there, and Brittany and Lindsay's was the far left, kind of looking out that way.
P.J. Teiska was one of several college students on a humanitarian mission in Haiti, staying at the Hotel Montana when the earthquake hit. His friend, Britney Gengel, was one of hundreds killed, trapped when the place crumbled. She went missing for 33 days. Congressman Jim McGovern tried to help the family recover her body.
It was horrible. I mean, the smell of death and seeing the search and rescue team, all volunteer firefighters with tears in their eyes trying to uncover bodies.
Last week, Congressman McGovern was back at the hotel with the Gengel family and friends, paying tribute to where Brit took her last breath.
When you lose a child, Susan, there's never closure. But at least I could bring my family here and let them feel the beauty of what Brit felt and let them say a prayer.
The Montana is once again open, doing business, but for many, this is not a hotel, it's a shrine. It is sacred ground to people like Lisa Birch, who dedicated a plaque to her husband Jim, who was also killed that fateful day.
This is where he took his last breath, his last view of the world, and it means so much to me to be here.
Some of the Montana is much as it was before the disaster hit. Some of it's been rebuilt, but much of the place is still in ruins. Memories are everywhere, and guests are invited to share them in the memorial garden.
That's okay, that's okay.
At the Hotel Montana, I'm Susan Warnick.